Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to show you how to add groups in the system to issue MOFAs. Now this is the page when you sign in with the password and username I have given earlier. Now let's say you have few passports or even one single passport you want to add. Simply go to groups, create group, give a name to this group, any name for your reference. Let's say you will type first group. You may also use the name of the group as the date of arrival or anything, any name you would like to choose for this group. Choose the consulate. Normally will come only one choice, the nearest for you, and then choose the package. No matter what package you are choosing, you will change later. Now just choose any of them. The date of arrival, we just put 29 now for an instant. Reservation number and note is not compulsory, optional, and then click on create. Now as you can see, there are information to fill up. This information is as per passport, but as you can see, you cannot fill up manually. So this way will make it easier for you to fill up. Just go to Google, type in MRZ, enter, and choose the one says unique ID machine readable passport MRZ calculator. This page will appear. Just type in the given name, whatever name you want to put, and then the surname. Please stick to the passport information because all the consulates will not accept if there is any spelling mistake or whatsoever. And then put the date of birth, the year, the month. Make sure it's 2 digits. Let's say if it's in September, you have to put 09. If March, 03. Don't just put 1 digit. And then the date, same. And then choose the sex and the issuer of your passport, the year of expiry, just like what I have mentioned earlier, and the passport number, and choose the nationality, and then press on submit. Once you press submit, the barcode generator will generate 2 lines of barcode. Now you take this, copy, and paste it here to make it only 1 line. You need it in 1 line. If 2 lines will not work in the system. So copy it all and then go back to the page where you first opened to create the group, and press on scan passport. Once swipe passport appears in your keyboard, press Ctrl V to paste the information. You can see here it's already filled up, the first name and last name, and then go on with filling up the other information that you have available. After you fill up, add the picture and click on create and then send. That will be all. In this way you will be sending all the groups or individuals to issue MOFAs. Thank you and have a nice day.